Every living thing around us, the trees, the animals, and even we ourselves, are made up of tiny units called cell. But this idea, which seems so obvious today, was once completely unknown. The discovery of the cell marked a turning point in the history of biology. In today's video, we'll explore how scientists discovered the cell. In 1665, an English scientist named Robert Hooke decided to place a thin slice of cork, the bark of a tree, under his microscope. The countless tiny, neatly arranged compartments that he observed reminded him of the small rooms or cells in a monastery, and so he named them cells. He published his observation in his famous book called Micrographia, where he illustrated the cork structures in detail. His discovery inspired others to explore the microscopic world. A few years later, in 1674, a Dutch statesman, Anton van Leeuwenhoek, built his own microscope and placed a drop of pond water under his microscope. He saw tiny living organisms moving about. He called them animalcule, meaning little animals. Today, we call them microorganisms. As science advanced and microscope became more powerful, Robert Brown discovered the nucleus inside the plant cell. His discovery was an important milestone as it showed that cells had internal structures and were more complex. Scientists continued observing different types of cells under the microscope. In 1838, Matthias Schleiden concluded that all plants are made up of cells. In 1839, Theodore Schwann proposed that all animals are also made up of cells. These findings gave rise to the cell theory, which states that all living organisms are composed of cells, and that the cell is the basic unit of life. Even with the cell theory established, one question remained: where do new cells come from? In 1855, Rudolf Virchow solved this mystery. He stated, "Omnis cellula e cellula," meaning all cells come from the pre-existing cells. This completed the modern cell theory, which we still use today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to join us in the next video where we will explore the cells in detail.